Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we consider the best gift bags for boys. The 13-inch large blue gift bags set by wishinside. If you're looking for the perfect way to present a gift for a boy's birthday, a baby shower, or any special occasion, this set offers an all-in-one solution that makes gift-giving easy and stylish. The first thing that stands out about this gift bag set is its vibrant blue color paired with a fun, cartoon-style, happy birthday motif. This playful design brings a cheerful vibe, making it ideal for birthday parties and celebrations tailored to boys of all ages. The color blue symbolizes serenity and calm, which adds a fresh, inviting look to your gift presentation. What makes this product truly convenient is that it's a complete set. Along with one large gift bag, you get 3 sheets of coordinating blue tissue paper, a matching greeting card, an envelope, and even a sticker to seal the card. This means you have everything you need in one purchase, no running around for additional wrapping supplies or cards. The gift bag itself measures 13 inches in height, 10.2 inches in width, and 5.2 inches in depth. This size is perfect for both small and larger gifts. Whether you're gifting electronics like smartphones or tablets, clothing, shoes, or designer accessories, this bag can accommodate them all comfortably. It's also great for more personal items like jewelry, books, or even sports gear. The bag features sturdy satin ribbon handles in the same blue shade, adding a touch of elegance while ensuring durability. You won't have to worry about the handles breaking or the bag tearing under the weight of your carefully chosen gift, as it's designed to support up to 10 pounds. Aside from its practicality and attractive design, this gift bag set is also eco-friendly. Made from premium paper sourced from responsibly managed forests, it offers a sustainable alternative to plastic gift bags. This means you can celebrate special moments with your loved ones while also being mindful of the environment. This gift bag set is versatile and can be used for various celebrations beyond birthdays. It's perfect for baby showers, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, and even holidays like Independence Day. Its universal design ensures it will bring joy to recipients ranging from kids to parents and friends. In summary, the 13-inch large blue gift bags set by wishinside stands out for its unique and vibrant design, complete packaging, suitable size, durability, and eco-conscious materials. If you want a hassle-free, stylish way to gift your favorite boys on any occasion, this product checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more honest product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.